Okay, 2020 Honda Odyssey. We're gonna change the cabin filter. Cabin filter is right behind this glove box. So get yourself a cabin filter. This is what this baby look like. And let me get this out of the packaging. So it does have an airflow symbol on it. So you do need to go with the airflow. Airflow is always down, so the air goes from top to bottom, and you will see if there's leaves up here, that means that's the airflow. Some filters will have an arrow saying up. You just got to go by up. So once you open this glove box, you're gonna have this little spot right here. So you're gonna just push this back really hard, and this guy should just come off. Okay, it's a plunger which keeps your, it's gonna be a lot of stuff in the glove box. Stuff might fall out, but you need to squeeze both sides and get this glove box to open up. Both hands, I mean, if you gotta do it together at the same time, that would be a good idea. So I'm gonna just squeeze both sides, and this thing comes right back down. And whoa, there's a lot of stuff behind it. Hats and everything is back there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our camera here. So pretty much there's the door, okay, right here. So what you want to do, you want to squeeze this and this, both sides. So I'm just squeezing on the tab here, okay, and this cover should come open. And after that, you want to pull out this cabin filter. Sometimes leaves will fall into your blower motor, so be careful. And this thing is super duper dirty. Wow, it wasn't even put in properly. Look at that. I'm gonna show you guys what this look like, okay, in a moment. So let me just get the new filter in. Airflow has to be facing down. Okay, there you go, nice and easy. Okay, I'm gonna show you what the other filter look like. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna close this now. That's how simple it is. Okay, make sure it clicks right in. I'm gonna bring my camera and everything back, so I don't drop my glove box. Yeah, my hand is tired, and this thing just goes right in. But take a look. This is what the glove box, this is how the filter looked like. It wasn't even put in properly. It was squeezed. Okay, and the last thing you want to do is you want to grab this little guy, and you want to just pull it right back in. Okay, that's what assists this thing from coming down slow. Okay, so I found all this stuff in back of it. Okay, that's done. So this is what the filter looked like. So again, every 15,000 miles, change both filters. Worth it. It gives you a nice and clean air. So this air wasn't even clean, it wasn't even getting filtered because half of this filter was squeezed in like all wrong. Somebody probably opened it to look at it and they just stuck it right back if the customer declined. But look at that, that thing is filthy inside. Thank you for watching my video. It's gonna give you better air too.